So I've been getting a lot of questions asking me what type of fabric I use for my pinafores. Ama-pinafore yiyo-ke le polyester cotton lona uyi-plain solid iyafana, wonke amacala ayafana. You see, yebo iyafana. Uma uyithinta ngathi ishidi. Sheet is like a bed sheet, is fabric when you touch it. I use it with this 100% cotton, 100% lo awuphumi lo, 100% cotton lo. Ngithenga 5 meter. Ngiseyancane mangifuna ukuthenga amaphinifa ngenzi 5 meter la. I-right le ngoba ayiphumi kodwa inkinga yayo idinga u-ayinwa le i-right le. Yebo iyafana, onke amasayidi ayafana. Ngathi ishidi uma uyithinte yebo. Uma uyiwasha nje uwasha ineke yoma same day ayihluphi. So yeah, nalo cotton nawo right, i-breathable futhi. So yeah, lena yimuthi ubuka ku-TikTok iwona otrendisa amaphinifa. Ngicabanga ukuthi iyo le abayisebenzisa nayo le abayisebenzisa ukuthunga amaphinifa yebo. Le i-man made fabric le, is not natural le kusiwa cotton lo. I-right le ngithenga 5 meter 100 rand le plain leyo i-same thing nayo 150 for 5 meter. 5 meter yiyo le isetshenziswayo ukuthwala amaphinifa eniwabonayo ngibona acwebezela nje. Uyimeshe nale nayo lo ngayisebenzisa nale indwangu engiyile polyester nayo kuyasetshenziswa ngayo. So you can use any fabric you want, say lightweight, to make your wrap dress. Don't have to be this one specific. Ungasebenzisa any fabric that you want. So yeah, yiyo le fabric yisi. So le like i-fake le yale original 100%. Yebo le ebona sinjani. Uma uthiwa ngayo ibona iliphi i-right ne-wrong side lapha kodwa inayo right. So yeah, this is the plain one. Plain angazi yimalini la ngihlala ngakhona i-150 5 meter i-lightweight nje. Uma uyiwasha iyashesha ukoma noku-ayina i-right. So 5 meter i-right uma uyiwasha, so uyi-ayina futhi i-good. Angazi noma iyaphuma bengangathungi ngayo, ngizonitshena kodwa mase ngithungile ngayiwasha ukuthi injani, whether iyaphuma or not. So yeah, if you like you can buy ishweshwe and make your wrap dress if you have money. For per meter is ranging from 75 rand per meter for this one is shweshwe, but it depends where you stay. This one is polyester melmet leyo 50 rand a meter. Yatrenda yena le yamabhinci, ungathenga nawe wenze iphinifa lakho uma uthanda. Yeah, so i-day ngifuna ukuthini ngasebenzisa noma yiphi fabric, kodwa I suggest uqala ngale shibhile khona uzopractice ngayo. Le bizayo kuyahlupha ukupractice into angebizayo ngoba uzokhala ekugcineni masingaphumi into yakho kahle. So it's better you just buy cheaper fabric and practice it with it. If you have confidence, then you can use a more expensive fabric for your dresses. So yeah, just buy cheap fabric for now. But if you are making for customers, please buy good fabric. Don't buy ungathengi indwangu ephuma umuthi yenza ama-custom. Better na le I'm sure ayiphumi ke ngathunga ngayo before ayiphumi le i-right for amaphinifa. Yeah, so amaphinifa amaningi athungwa ngayo le so it is good ngoba ayiphumi. ayiphumi leyo ungayisebenzisa uyisebenzise naleyo polyester